Hey viewers, I hope everyone is fine. Today I'm gonna explain 2 BHK house plan in 1200 square feet. So viewers, this is basically our floor plan. This is our front side. This is our back side. Our back side and front side, this duration distance is 32 feet. This is our right side. This is our left side. Our left side and right side, this duration distance is 38 feet. Overall, our floor plan is 32 feet by 38 feet. If we talk about square feet, it's around 1200 square feet. So viewers, this is basically our main door. So you can understand our main door is D1. Basically D1 door is 3 feet 4 inches and we are using as our bedroom door. Here D1 door also our main door. So using this main door we will reach here, and this is basically our drawing room. So viewers, you can understand here, this is our drawing room, and this left side also we have our staircase. So viewers, in our drawing room we have this direction 11 feet, this direction 12 feet. Overall our drawing room is 11 feet by 12 feet. Also you can understand this side we have our staircase. So viewers, this is basically direction. So you can understand, using this direction we will reach our second floor. After here you can understand this space basically open, so you can use here like thigh glass door, or you can use curtain for separate, and if you want you can just keep open here. After here we can understand this is basically our dining room. So viewers, we have this direction 20 feet and this direction 12 feet. Overall our dining room is 20 feet by 12 feet. Also you can understand our dining room has one window, and this is basically our window. After this side you can understand this dining table straight. Here we have our D2 door. D2 door measurement basically 2 feet 6 inches. We are using D2 door, our bathroom door, our kitchen door, our balcony door. So using these D2 door we will reach here, and this is basically our kitchen room. So we have this direction 10 feet and this direction 8 feet 3 inches. Overall our kitchen room space is 10 feet by 8 feet 3 inches. Also our kitchen room has one window, and this is basically our window. After we just get back our dining room, and our kitchen room left side you can understand here also we have another D2 door. So viewers, this is basically our D2 door. So using this D2 door we will reach here, and this is our balcony. So we have this direction 3 feet 6 inches and this direction 8 feet 3 inches. Overall our balcony measurement is 3 feet 6 inches by 8 feet 3 inches. After we get back our this dining room, and you can understand our dining room this side we have our D1 door, and D1 door basically 3 feet 4 inches, and we are using our bedroom door. So using this D1 door we will reach here, and this is basically our bedroom 1. So we have this direction 13 feet, this direction 12 feet. Overall our bedroom 1 is 13 feet by 12 feet. Also our bedroom 1 has two window. This is basically our one window, and this is another window. Our bedroom 1 hasn't any kind of attached toilet. So after get back our this dining space, we can understand this side also we have our another D2 door. So using this D2 door we will reach here, and this is basically our common toilet. So we have this direction 7 feet and this direction 4 feet. Overall our common toilet is 7 feet by 4 feet. So viewers, we get back our this dining space. After we can understand here this right side also we have our D1 door. So using this D1 door we will reach here, and this is basically our bedroom 2. So viewers, you can understand here this is our bedroom 1 and here this is our bedroom 2. So our bedroom 2 measurement is this direction 13 feet and this direction 12 feet. Overall our bedroom 2 is 13 feet by 12 feet. Also our bedroom 2 has 2 windows. This is one window, this is another window. So viewers, this downside you can understand here we have our D2 door. So using this D2 door we will reach here, and this is basically our common toilet. So viewers, you can understand our this common toilet is attached with our this bedroom 2. So our common toilet is this direction 7 feet and this direction 4 feet. Overall our this like attached toilet, this is not common toilet, I'm really sorry, this is our attached toilet. So we have this direction 7 feet and this direction 4 feet. Overall our this attached toilet is 7 feet by 4 feet. So viewers, you can understand this toilet basically attached with our this bedroom 2. After we just get back our dining room. So viewers, if I give you just little overview, just more understanding, using this main door we will reach here, and this is basically our drawing room. Here our drawing room and staircase both same place. So you can understand this side our staircase, and using this direction we will reach our up floor. After here this is basically our dining room, and this side you can understand here this is our bedroom 1 and this is our common toilet. After here this is our bedroom 2, and our bedroom 2 has one attached toilet, and this is our attached toilet. Here this side this is our kitchen, and this side this is our balcony. Overall what we are getting, this 1200 square feet floor plan. Basically we have one like drawing room, also our staircase is same place. We have one dining room, 2 bedroom. So you can understand 2 bedroom and 2 toilet. One toilet is common, another toilet is attached with this bedroom 2, and we have one kitchen room, one balcony. Overall 2 toilet, 2 bedroom, 1 kitchen, 1 balcony, 1 drawing and staircase same place. So now we will talk about the cost. Viewers, cost is basically variable because it depends your state, your location, your soil capacity, you know which kind of structure do you want and which kind of material do you want. So everything is depend, that's why cost is variable. Just we'll talk about very a basic cost, like one average cost. So if you talk about cost, here you can understand cost is 18 lakh rupees. So yes, definitely cost is variable because it depends like which kind of structure do you want and your location, whatever I told you. So that's why cost is variable.